Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is Japan's earthquake threat. Why in news? Japan has warned of a potential mega earthquake in the Nankai Trough, which could cause severe damage, including tsunamis and infrastructure collapse. The Japanese government's report predicts an 80% chance of a magnitude 8 to 9 earthquake in the region. The report also highlights the economic damage, estimating a loss of 270.3 trillion yen, nearly half of Japan's GDP. The warning comes after similar advisories were issued in previous years, with heightened concerns about the region's seismic activity. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April, while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501 87501. The Nankai Trough is located along Japan's southwest Pacific coast, where the Philippine Sea Plate subducts beneath the Eurasian Plate. This region has experienced massive earthquakes historically, occurring roughly every 100 to 150 years. The accumulating tectonic strain in the Nankai Trough poses a significant risk, with studies showing increased probability of subsequent earthquakes after a major tremor. A magnitude 9 earthquake in this area could lead to a tsunami over 10 meters high and severe destruction, including up to 3,23,000 deaths and economic losses of 1.5 trillion US dollars. Japan's earthquake and tsunami risk. Japan is highly susceptible to earthquakes due to its location atop 4 major tectonic plates, making it one of the most earthquake-prone countries in the world. The Ring of Fire zone, which runs through Japan, experiences over 80% of the world's tsunamis and earthquakes. Approximately 1,500 earthquakes occur annually in Japan, with seismic activity occurring as frequently as every 5 minutes in some regions. The country faces recurring threats from earthquakes and tsunamis due to the volatile tectonic environment of the Pacific Ocean. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the primary reason for Japan's earthquake vulnerability? Its location on 4 major tectonic plates, its proximity to volcanoes, its geographic location along the Ring of Fire, or its high population density? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.